Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Canva website to Hostinger. We'll go through the essential steps to link your beautifully designed Canva site with a custom domain managed by Hostinger. This guide will help you understand the process, from preparing your Canva design for publishing to configuring the necessary DNS records. By the end, you'll have a clear path to making your website live and accessible to everyone online. First, ensure your website design is fully complete within Canva. Once ready, navigate to the Share button and select the website option. Canva offers several ways to publish. You can use a free Canva subdomain, or, if you've already connected a domain within Canva, select that. This step generates the live version of your site that we will then link to your Hostinger-managed custom domain. Next, log into your Hostinger account and find the DNS zone editor for your domain. You will need to add a CNAME record. The name or host field should be www, and the target or points to field will be the Canva website address you published in the previous step. Remember to save these changes. DNS updates can take up to 24 to 48 hours to fully propagate across the internet. After configuring your DNS records, patience is key. It can take up to 48 hours for the changes to fully propagate. Once this period has passed, open a web browser and type in your custom domain name. Your Canva-designed website should now appear. Thoroughly check all pages, links, and interactive elements to ensure everything is functioning as expected. Congratulations, your Canva website is now live on your custom Hostinger domain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.